It was Diwali night. Under a big banyan tree, a small diya flickered gently. Krishna sat with a group of children around him. Krishna smiled and asked, "Tell me, children, why do we celebrate Diwali? Only for sweets? Only for firecrackers?" The kids giggled and shook their heads. Krishna leaned closer and said softly, "Diwali carries a secret, a small one, but very powerful." In a nearby town, a rich boy lit a huge lantern outside his grand house and said proudly, "Look, my lantern is the biggest. It will shine brighter than all the diyas." But suddenly, a gust of wind came. Whoosh! The big lantern flickered and went out. Everything turned dark. Across the street, a few poor children were lighting tiny clay diyas, one at a time. Each diya was small, but together they filled the entire street with golden light. The rich boy watched quietly. Slowly, he picked up his dark lantern, walked to the children, and placed it among their diyas. And the moment he did, the whole lane shone even brighter, like stars flowing through the street. The boy smiled not with pride, but with peace. That night, everyone celebrated together. Suddenly, the light sparkled even brighter, spreading like a river of stars through the street. Krishna looked at the children sitting before him, eyes wide, hearts glowing. Krishna said gently, "This is the real meaning of Diwali. One big light can shine for itself, but many small lights together can brighten the whole world. Alone, we may fade. Remember this always, but together, we glow. It is the festival of lights. When families come together, when joy and hope return, when goodness wins."